Hey y'all, Miss Star back here on MissStarTv, and this time I'm going to do a masquerade themed makeup look. If you'd like to see how I achieve it, then please keep watching. Okay, first I filled in my eyebrows using L.A. Colors brow pencil and black. Then I used L.A. Colors Concealer in Fair as my eyeshadow base. Now I'm going to use the Color Vibes palette and use the lightest color to set the eyeshadow base. Then I'm going to use the lightest brown to fill in my entire crease areas on both eyes like this. Okay, now I'm going to use the dark silvery color, dabbing it at the end of my eye, holding the brush closer to the end and fluffing it all around the edges, like this. Okay, now taking a flatter brush and a lighter silvery shade, putting it all over my eyelids like this. Okay, now using a round tipped small brush, I'm going to use the very shimmery silver color on my inner corners like this. Now I'm going to use L.A. Colors Auto Eyeliner in black on both the top and bottom lash lines and smudge me a cat eye, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use a makeup wipe to clean up the mess around my eyes. Then I'm going to add my concealer to everywhere I need it to be. Then I'm going to apply my foundation like this. Okay, now I'm going to use L.A. Colors Illuminating Powder in Gleaming Goddess for my highlighting, and then I'm going to use their contouring stick in medium for my contouring, like this. Okay, now for my lips, I'm going to use L.A. Colors Metal to the Max Metallic Lip Gloss in Splendor, like this. And now I'm going to put on L.A. Colors Bold Mascara, like this. Hey! Thanks so much for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. If you like what you saw, click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please put those in the comment section below and we'll get to those as soon as we can. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok for behind the scenes and so much more. Remember, you can also become a huge part of our MissStarTv family by supporting us on Patreon. Thank you guys so much. Bye!